Jumpa Fibro section 4 kajim tip namta kubur laikam tementa la laikam DSC biang sahapo West Khas Hill District Nongstoin ka Eastern West kadang kut menta kasnihi Arfratrik te Arfratrik lami jongka West Khas Hill District te kito ki bokwa apna apply sepej ki video bakut ki post ki balaj ki don hadu ki vacancy ki don total number of vacancy baro ki don hadu sau po new tadi e baro te sepej ket ko qualification jong pi ket conclusion jong ki post tapi ko akan apply tesa apply and puli ket kom connect advertisement the district selection committee West Khas Hill District nostan invite application for genuine citizen preference will te ki DSC menta te kaju kane kan thok bet ba ka preference te kin ai ning kong bet ye ki badai na po ka tu ka district hi te ki we ki yo hi amdai re ba kim yo tang ba long ba ka preference bedai kan khamlik bet sha ki badai na po ka district ha kan no district ru ki ta hi tre ban apply te baro ki district ki la ban apply ki badai na we district ki la ban apply tang ba ka preference bedai kan dei pe ya ki bana ka tu ka district who are reserved to apply as per term and condition in the advertisement filling up the filling of vacancy should read instruction carefully before making an entry selection. Okay, tamla dan kam than re te kane ko wis ta kan mau ka online application will be received up to 2nd May hadu artrik May kan ka last date kan mau hai kata last date artrik May and no application will be entertained ta kini ki post ada ai lupa roster berkesteng jong ki post ru name of the post driver kumba khat artali a you are kawai khadwai tali khas jinta garo level 3 class 8 pass depend on driving license light LMV rubiang heavy motor vehicle rubiang kati badan tamala don license layo ban apply nam taka driver inverter don tangawai kane pass class 10 ki balap na apply class 10 tangawai gram sevika kane class 10 kane ru matriculation SSC pass preference will get candidate passing out of gram sevika training at UGSTC or Parshilong tekane kham ai bah preference ki bala pass training na po kane ka UGSTC or Parshilong jesa kan mau ki ba ko apan apply nam tak jesa kan mau pas bah kan mau ki post ki bare bala apply laboratory assistant kane chemistry tangkawai HSLC science with chemistry as one of the subject tangmut ba class 12 science la yo ba ban apply nam ta kane tangkawai ka post kadon LDA khat south league post kane level 5 secondary school living certificate or any examination declared equivalent kane kare class 10 pass ma kane secondary school living skills and pass and must have the typing certificate dependent certificate la de ka balai banai ni buat rupanai ru teman dependent next om typing tak de ka typing la komputer kalong hi no one shall be eligible to appoint as lower division if his speed writing is less than 30 words per minute tekmut ba kendon ya ka typing speed tekmut ba pass class 10 but pass computer training ru alhamdulillah kata nai apply re kane kinam shimre markin I prefer ba ye gibla de pass ye ka computer application nai long candidate with certificate in computer application will be preferred pila ban apply tamakin kham prefer ba ye giba dan certificate mandal tangawai pass class 10 storekeeper artali kane pass class 12 refrigerator mechanic kane tangawai pass class 10 tangba kham prefer yegi mill with certificate course in electrical and refrigerator repairing soil and water conservation southerly pass class 10 kane pass class 10 ki lab apply or is equivalent from recognized board of school education and shall undergo physical test kane kandon jing mare ne jing yatru kadba khila kadba kapor ba kilabu then sayo poi ka exam preferably male candidate ki kham prefer yegi shenrang suppose weaving demonstrator or post class 10 pass with mathematics connected with mathematics and science with certificate training in handloom weaving hadwan certificate for handloom weaving tracer class 10 bunha pass class 10 ki post section assistant pass class 10 tangawai projectionist away pass class 10 by come prefer irrigation rank but certificate course in electrical and cinema operator but ko khatsau sericultural demonstrator and suddenly pass class 10 with science pass in certificate course in sericulture or person who have passed training short-term course in sericulture. Te baro ang tu ngala da batai dan khasau tali ki post but total vacancy baro gilong hap adu sau punyo tali te apply la kajong te it is mandatory for applicant to have acquired okay given done penbiang kita ki qualification dan pass class ketkum ka qualification la pass te kan mau ba ha ka DSC unta kan don show ka exam dan exam kan don sa ka la pass kan don sa local language te local language kan sa ka interview te ka snam nam ta kini kaju ibro kal pradu live r plus sun snam long back kal pradu live ho new snam ki wala apply am don reservation payment kan David sanpo tingka kawi ka post kan mau sanpo tingka kawi ka post la apply bun tali phiap siu bun tali ka pisaro shu dari santali san aspa sanpo tingka santali post kumta shailong mai kumta te sakan mau ka website kan David make recruitment.nec.in ngan sapu description ru ada pikwa ban apply ki balade apply lupa kembang man ka pon la bong ba ki balade apply MPSC DSC lane secretariat pion secretariat udah ujuhi login ID email telah dapat akret password rom lelere pinang yo ben I forgot password terus apply de tuhi non kam shu banat shu update tang ya kita ki certificate ki jong phi la dapat ada pass ki training kino no te filap update tang atahi tang ini ki jong tip hawe de ber ki khubor like kam khule jibun